Did someone put this in my pocket?
Which pocket?
Any of them.
Your pocket?
Put it in the backpack.
Okay. Okay, well.
I'll remember it's in my pocket this time.
No, you won't.
Hi, Marissa. Oh. Marissa's got a gun.
Hi. Wait, can I do a trash shot?
Alright, what was your... Oh yeah, your butterfly. Yo, what was yours again, Quinn? Quinn. What was yours again?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, Calico.
Calico?
Wait, I never...
Alright. Callie. You ready, butterfly? You got this. Making my way downtown. Hit it. Yes, sir! Alright, I'm locking in. Hang on.
I'm out of gas. How's it work?
Here.
So I can just probably start doing it on my own. It's fun.
Get yourself a boyfriend who loads your gas in airsoft.
That's crazy. I literally said
I'm
just
just
teach me.
kidding.
Thank you, sir.
Oops. Alright.
You're so freaking loud. Oh, hit!
motherfucker.
Sorry, bro. It's me. I'm gonna get my gun. with a pistol. Yes, sir! Woo!
Fatality.
Yeah, hit. Well, I got hit in the ball sack. That's it. Hi! Yes, sir! I got hit in the balls, I don't want to hear it. He's out. Oh, never mind. Oh, hi there. Oh,
Hit.
Hit. Dead man walking. Hi, Otto. Oh. You're good. Bro, wait, Otto, come here. Look what I did, bro. Hang on. Look at what I did. Otto, I was sitting right here. Otto, I sat down. And I was sitting there like this for like 5 minutes. Alright, hang on, I'm filling up Marissa's gas, hang on. I like an airsoft. Alright. Yeah, I'll be out. Alright, game on. Go.
Hey, Quinn, where are you? I need the BBs.
You're good. Good game, guys. Good game. Woo!
Give me a review of Airsoft. 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. DM me if you're lonely. No.
That's crazy. What about you, Marissa?
To be is like, I don't even know what the words are. Huh? So like, yeah, dude. So, no, 10 out of 10.
You give it a 10?
I get 10.
Did you do it again?
What?
Did you do it again?
Oh yeah.